Get to the bag, I've been away for a week, yeah, hit it and laugh, I'm gonna be good if you leave,
You ain't gonna be come to another reaction video. New to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button, leave the thumbs up, and smash that notification bell. You know to drop the shit. Alright, yo, let me back up a little bit, too close to the camera. I wonder. Alright. So we got my nigga Pharaoh, the young Messiah himself. Alright, so he performed Chainsaw Live. You haven't saw that video with him and dude, what's that nigga's name? It's on the channel. You already know what it is. Go check it out. It's on the channel. We went crazy with that one. We went crazy. 30-something. We went crazy. Alright, bro. Let's see him going live, bro. They're gonna go, wow, this track is hard. They about to start moshing! Ah, let's get his neck ready. Let me get my neck ready. The chainsaw. Yeah, hey! Yeah, go crazy! Yeah! This nigga got the fans singing here. He ain't even singing this shit. He got the fans singing it with the audio playing. You feel me? I would hate to go to a concert and my artist ain't performing the song and it's just audio. This is kind of bad on Pharaoh's part, but he's one that's gonna get the check and ain't gonna front. He put the music on and say, y'all niggas rap to that shit. Ah, he did his part though. Yeah. Got that. Concert! What is that crazy? What kind of struggle rapper D Savage responds by flexing his advance accepts it. DJ Davis, what are you gonna do? I know, sorry, it had nothing to do with Pharaoh, my nigga, but I see a nigga kissing another nigga. That's crazy. New to the channel, hit that sub button, leave it on, smash that notification, cause I'm not crazy over here, you feel me? Alright, you guys already know what it is. You guys have more live content, more other things like that. You guys already know what it is. Fill up in the comment section, and then what? Go crazy yourself until next time. Oh yeah, before I end it, all these comments, I want you guys always say you guys want live comments and things like that. So how I'm gonna do it, bro? I'm gonna upload a whole bunch of videos, right? And then I'm gonna start recording again. And I'm gonna see y'all comments. I'm gonna give you guys the live shout out comments, all right? I've been saying them in my last couple of vids. I want to say it at the end. I want to make sure my true supporters, the ones who rock with me. I gotta shout you guys out. You feel me? We sitting halfway to the show my subscriber count. You know, we doing our thing right now. You feel me? We doing our thing. All right. So what I want you guys to do is put the comment section and then what? Go crazy yourself. Until next time. I'll do so.
You can't get like him, cause you just like them. You can't move like him, you can't do like him. You ain't work cool.